What is up, guys? So haven't made a video for a minute, but I'm on the way to get my car tuned, and you know, I'm hype right now. I'm freaking hype, but I'll get back with you guys when I'm there. We're here at the spot, boys. Got my cousin Jose. About to go down. Dyno time. Alright, what do you think I'm gonna get? What do you think I'm gonna get? 400. 400? Easy 7. Easy. What is going on, guys? So it was a successful dyno tune. You know, didn't make a lot of power. You know, I thought it was a 700, but 250 works. But now, appreciate you guys. Subscribe, like, hey, comment what you guys want to see me doing or what. But much love. Till next video. Wow.